Hello friends, in this video I'm going to compare the sound quality of Amazon Echo versus EchoDot. Let's see, is it worth to pay 50 bucks more to the Big Brother? Yeah, the Big Brother has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 microphone holes. The small one has one hole. And in size comparison, the big one is around 5 times bigger. As the connectors, you see a USB charging port and the auxiliary output on the small one. On the big one, you see a non-standard charging port, so you have to use its own adapter and the auxiliary port. The feeling and quality is much better on the big one. In order to avoid any copyright issues, I will be playing one of the songs which I composed and wrote. So let's start with the big one. I will be turning on the volume to the maximum level so we can see how it sounds. The bass is amazing and the sound quality is also fantastic. I like it. Now let's test the small one.
Sen ve ben kaçalı buralardan de.
So, the small one really sounds smaller. I mean, there is no bass, it's too much mid range and the volume is really poor. It's better than a buzzer, but I didn't like it and therefore I bought the big one. So, and how is the big one compared with the JBL, for example, like such a size? Yeah, comparing it with the JBL would be maybe more fair in order to understand how it sounds when compared with a speaker, Bluetooth speaker, and a
Sen ve ben kaçalı.
To be honest, this sounds much better. In meanings of the high levels of the sound is much better. The bass, okay, the bass echoes. Bass is much maybe better, but when compared all over, I mean in meanings of the mid, the low, and the high frequencies, the JBL sounds better. Okay, but our comparison is between these two guys. So if you're looking for a great sound, a speaker, and a personal assistant, I would suggest you buy the big one. So that was my review. Take care. Bye.